new topical treatment gel, Eroxon, is marketed as a fast-acting gel that helps men to get erection within 10 minutes. But on Amazon, we see numerous comments from guys who have tried the gel, and most of them claim it's a scam. Hi, I'm Dr. Arkady with ReBalance. In this video, I'm going to reveal, does Eroxon actually works or it's just a scam, and if there's any scientific evidence supporting the efficacy of Eroxon. But first, let's figure out how this gel works and whether it contains any ingredients that could harm you. Eroxon is not a drug. The FDA calls it a non-medicated hydroalcoholic gel, whatever that means. This gel is applied to the head of the penis. It stimulates the nerve endings by lowering the skin temperature of the penis by about 18 degrees Fahrenheit in what they claim to be about 60 seconds, followed by gradually warming effect. Now, the manufacturer claims that this triggers the release of nitric oxide, which relaxes the blood vessels and results in improvement of the blood flow and, of course, effect of erection. Eroxon contains ethanol, propylene glycol, glycerin, carbamide, and some pH modifier. Since it doesn't contain any active ingredients, it typically does not cause any side effects. However, some men have reported experiencing headache after using the gel, while others have noticed a slight burning sensation in the penis. Regarding the research that tested the efficacy of the gel, there are two studies. One study called FM57 was conducted by Futura Medical, the company that manufactures Eroxon. They examined 1,000 men and divided them into two groups. One group received the gel and the other one received the placebo. They asked people in a study to attempt to have an intercourse 4 times in a month to assess their progress. Now, 40%, according to them, of men who took the placebo reported an improvement in their sexual function, while 60% of men who took Eroxon also reported the improvement. Well, one can argue that according to the study, Eroxon works, but in reality, it may not be more effective than a placebo, since we really don't know for sure whether the men in Eroxon group have erectile dysfunction due to the physical or psychological factors. However, we do know that the placebo effect is effective for men with psychological issues. Another interesting point, that the company really has never disclosed the full results of its clinical trials. Therefore, comparing Eroxon to placebo requires further research. Another clinical study called FM71 compared how well Eroxon works against the tadalafil tablets. They took 96 guys, ages between 22 to 70. Half them got Eroxon gel and half of them got tadalafil pills. They all had to try to have sex 4 times a month to see how bad their problem was. Then they were put into the categories mild, moderate, severe. After that, they were treated with either tadalafil pills or Eroxon gel for 6 months, and then they checked again. As a result, 61% of the guys using Eroxon saw their erection get better no matter which category they were at. And with the tadalafil group, 87% of the guys got better erection. So we see that the tadalafil works better and more reliable. Now, in my opinion, 96 participants is not enough people to say for sure that Eroxon works well or not well, and it's actually any better than placebo. But on the other hand, what we do see on Amazon from various sellers, we mostly see negative reviews from this gel. We see ratings of only 1 star that were given by 49 to 71% of buyers. Now, in my opinion, since there are so many negative reviews from the guys who actually tried the gel, and there's really no convincing studies that product works better than placebo, I don't see the point in risking spending money at this time at all. It also seems that Eroxon doesn't really treat the problem, but simply tackles the symptoms. If you really want to improve your erection, then check out this video about supplements that personally help me and hundreds of my patients. This supplements actually addresses the root cause of the weak erection.